today we're going to discuss about naturalistic intelligence. But first, let us all define what our objectives. Can you please read everyone?
At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to examine the feasibility and effectiveness of integrating naturalistic intelligence-based activities in mathematics instruction across various grade levels. Identify specific pedagogical approaches that successfully connect mathematical concepts to the natural world, and develop practical guidelines and resources for educators to implement nature-based mathematics activities in their classrooms.
Howard Gardner introduced the 8 multiple intelligences, including there is the naturalistic intelligence. Naturalistic explores the potential of integrating naturalistic intelligence into mathematics education. Now, we all know that in a diverse classroom, we have all these learners who really must stay involved in nature, like kanang mga hiking or kanang mga kanang museum exhibition. Create a more engaging and effective learning experience for students. While research specifically linking naturalistic intelligence interventions to improve math scores in all grade levels is still developing the broader research based on multiple intelligences. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences possessed that individuals possess distinct cognitive strengths, including naturalistic intelligence, the capacity to recognize, categorize, and utilize information about the natural world. Now, in natural intelligences, naturalistic intelligence, our learners have a strength to recognize problems about nature, categorize, they will be able to know what kind of strategies they're going to apply, especially if they are going to involve nature, and utilize information about the natural world and how they're going to adapt it in their daily lives. So I'm in intermediate elementary for grade 5, grade 3 to grade 5, measuring plant growth over time and creating graphs, exploring ratios and proportions using natural objects. So example dito is yung, they will be able to measure kung ano na yung height ng plant na tinanim nila kasi nga they're more involved on nature. Calculating the area and perimeter of natural shapes, conducting simple nature-based experiments involving measurement. Now, they will be able to conduct a experiment about nature on how to measure the kind of plant. The naturalistic intelligence theory is one of the 8 intelligences proposed by Howard Gardner in his theory of multiple intelligences. Later on, we're going to tackle what are those 8 multiple intelligences. According to Gardner, naturalistic intelligence is the ability to identify, classify, and manipulate elements of environment, objects, animals, or plants. This type of intelligences, we are able to recognize the differences between species, groups of people, or objects, and understand how they relate to each other. Now, in naturalistic intelligence, according to Howard Gardner, those learners are able to categorize or analyze, especially if they go more on involved on nature. Development, naturalistic intelligence can be nurtured through experiences and activities that connect individuals with the natural world. No, yung mga learners na yung mga naturalistic, mga more on love nilang natures, they will be able to learn during activities na mas ma-involve sa gawas. Like for example, ano ito, magsulisulis sila? Field trip, like ganon. This includes spending time outdoors, observing nature, and engaging in activities like gardening, hiking, or bird watching. No, especially we're going to handle elementary. They are more capable on learning on their own, especially if mas ma-enjoy na doing that. For example, if you're going to give them a field trip, tapos they were able to learn on how to watch kanabitang mga trees, on how to grow. Learning about plants, animals, and ecological systems. Participating in conversation and for environmental education program. Social sciences in 2011, Gardner defined 7 types of intelligence: linguistic, musical, logical, mathematical, spatial, bodily, kinesthetic, interpersonal, and intrapersonal. I have here a illustration. Kinesthetic is those students who are more engaged in sports. Interpersonal is yung mga people smart or yung mga student natin na more on capable of engaging lots of people. Linguistic is more on talking, like they are know how to communicate properly. Mathematical is those learners who are very good in math. Naturalistic is yung mga student that are more on involved on nature. Interpersonal is yung mga, for example, yung mga nonchalant or more on capable of their own. Visual is yung more on, they are more, mas makaler sila if you're able to illustrate ng mga pictures. And musical, those learners who love music. The 9 types of intelligences, tatong visual, linguistic, logical, kinesthetic, naturalist, musical, existential, interpersonal, and intrapersonal. Nagets ang multiple intelligences by Gardner. In conclusion, generally, children with naturalistic intelligence show an inclination towards the natural world as well as towards what human beings have created. No? In conclusion, according to Gardner, when we're going to able this, ma-apply natin siya pohon-pohon if we're going to teach some learners guide. According to Gardner, yung mga learner daw is they're more on makaka-learn sila if they're going to experience this on their own daily lives or kanabitang more on realistic. And that will end my discussion. Thank you for your attention this evening.